Now that your students have completed the word reading and isolation test, I'd like to share a really time-efficient resource that Angie Anderson has shared with me in the past. This is a Teachers Pay Teachers Excel spreadsheet that you can use to type in the different things that students said. An X means that this letter or sound was missed. You can also type in the box below the actual word that the student said. The nice thing is that it will then summarize the different consonants, the different vowels that the student knew, and as well as syllable patterns. The most awesome thing that I love is this summary sheet, because I can look at it and quickly identify that in the case of this particular student, they had mastered their consonants and digraphs. But if I scroll down and look at the different vowel patterns, it says yes for short vowels, but then you can see that they did not meet the goal for long vowels, vowel digraphs, other vowels. If I continue down, here we have our different syllable rules. One thing to note is that when you look at the summary sheet and try to target a specific area to start, the scope and sequence for the encoding and decoding guide is going to start with short vowels in one-syllable words, and then before moving on to long vowels and vowel digraphs, it is going to go to closed syllables. That means that they're going to do short vowels in two-syllable words. After the student has mastered that, you can simply go back up and follow the sequence of long vowels, vowel digraphs, other vowels. After that has been mastered, then you will go down into the different syllable rules: open syllables, magic E, R controlled, schwa syllable, and LE. These are all words with two syllables.